This day for the Coastal Police and the Police Department. For we have the flagging of ceremony which will be held shortly by the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. On behalf of DGP Goa and all ranks of Goa Police, I, Terence Vaz, extend my wholehearted welcome to each one of you gathered here. It is indeed a proud moment for all of us, especially the Coastal Police, in achieving this milestone. As we are about to witness the flag off ceremony of all the terrain vehicles by Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, these ATVs are provided by the GSL under the Corporate Social Responsibility, an initiative by the Goa Shipyard Limited. It's a warm welcome to Commodore B.B. Nagpal, Chairman, Managing Director of Goa Shipyard. Thank you, sir, for coming over here and gracing this occasion. Our chief guest for today's function, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, will be arriving shortly. DGP, sir, I request you to accompany DIG, sir, to welcome the Chief Minister of Goa. Bouquet to our chief guest for today's function, Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Thank you. In achieving this milestone, as we are about to witness the flag off ceremony of the all-terrain vehicles by the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, under the Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative taken up by the Goa Shipyard. A big thank you to Goa Shipyard for this moment. Goa Police has got a fleet of 9 interceptor boats which are used for maintaining surveillance and adequate protection to the fishing community. The 2 ATVs which will be flagged off by the Honorable Chief Minister will also be deployed, one in the north and one in the south along the coastline. I now request DGP Goa to address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone present here. Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, MLA from Mapsa, Mr. Joshua, CMD of Goa Shipyard Limited, Commodore B.B. Nagpal, all the dignitaries gathered here, ladies and gentlemen. Goa, being a tourist destination, Goa Police has an enormous responsibility of guarding the borders. The coastline of Goa is about 105 kilometers, and since it is close by to Mumbai, which has had attacks earlier, we also remain vulnerable, the entire coast from here onwards to Karnataka. Every year we have a lot of tourists coming to Goa, and Goa Police takes all measures so that there is no incident ever happening in this lovely state. We have also taken a lot of measures in strengthening the coastline security, and towards this end, we have been sensitizing the public, the shack owners, the fishermen, everyone, so that they take care of the security aspect, so that nothing ever happens in Goa. The Goa Police has a fleet of 9 interceptor bulletproof boats deployed for maintaining surveillance along the entire coastline. But boat can only patrol the waters. The coastline and the beaches, they also need patrolling. And towards this, the reason being the other vehicles that we have they get stuck in sand and they cannot move. Hence, we proposed, and CMD Goa Shipyard Limited was kind enough to accede to our request, and under the CSR initiative has given us 2 ATVs which will be placed in North and South Goa. Both sides have very famous beaches, and now the tourist season is coming. Today is October 1st, but now the tourist season starts, and it'll help us in maintaining patrolling in the evening hours, especially the evening hours when there is no sunlight available. And these 2 ATVs, let me talk about it. It can be used to carry some passenger also. A person, suppose he has a mishap on the waters, he can be getting the person out from the coastline, the water line, to the next ambulance. It's a difficult proposition. It takes a lot of time. These ATVs can also be used in rescue and other kind of operations. People can be loaded onto that, and they can be brought on to the next place. Now we thank the Chief Minister for coming here, sparing some valuable time and gracing the occasion and flagging of the ATVs. I would also mention that we will enhance our coastal security, especially the ATV strength, in the coming year, so that the entire patrolling across the 105-kilometer coastline is thorough. I would like to thank the GSL team, and naturally we cannot forget the chairman and Commodore V.V. Nagpal for their kind generosity. And I also take this opportunity to appeal to the members of the public to contact the coastal security on toll-free numbers 1093 or dialing 100 or 112 for in any emergency. We will be there to respond to you. Once again, I welcome all of you for the function. Thanking you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, DG sir, for enlightening us with your words of wisdom. It is indeed true that Goa Police has got a fleet of 9 interceptor boats, which is maintained by the Goa Shipyard and also delivered by them. I now invite the Chairman and Managing Director of Goa Shipyard, Commodore B.B. Nagpal, to address the gathering.
Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable MLA Mapsa, Mr. D'Souza, Shri Parnav Nanda, Director General of Police, Shri Paramaditya, Deputy Inspector General of Police, DIG Nautiyal, my directors, officers and staff present, ladies and gentlemen. As CMD of Goa Shipyard Limited, I am privileged to be associated with this project to partner with the state government, especially the police authorities, in creating safety awareness at sea. We are sure that our partnership with police authorities will not only result in increasing awareness about safety to be observed at sea, to be followed by general public at large, but also the fishermen folk, local boat operators and the sea surfers. Goa Shipyard Limited has always been conscious of its corporate social responsibility and strives hard to reach out to the population of Goa through its CSR initiatives. We are presently implementing a number of society-oriented development initiatives as part of our CSR program to reach out to more people across all sections of state, and are thankful to the state government authorities for providing all the help meeting our CSR goals. We believe that the CSR projects of GSL will contribute towards social, economic development and enhancing the quality of life of the community. This effort, in long run, will create value and promote sustainable growth. In the past, GSL has, under its CSR project, have taken up projects in agriculture sector, dairy sector, watershed, skill development, and mobile health care. During the last 3 financial years, GSL has spent more than rupees 10 crores in its CSR activities. We have approximately spent 3.9 crores in construction of roads, footpath, rupees 2 crore in skill development, 2.04 crore in healthcare, education and environment, and 2.35 crores in Swachh Bharat activities. Apart from ATVs as a part of CSR activity during the current financial year, GSL is also in the process of setting up a material recovery facility in collaboration with state government agency, that is Goa State Urban Development Agency. GSL is providing financial support to this project, which is coming up in Sada Vasco. Medical and health care is also our priority area under CSR, and during the current financial year, we are providing various medical equipments to Cottage Hospital Chikalim and Hospico Hospital in Madgaon. Under CSR, as a part of Swachh Bharat plan, GSL is also building community toilets and is also supporting various schools in construction and renovation of toilets. Under this flagship program of the Government of India and supporting the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, GSL has spent an amount of 2.35 crores under Swachh Bharat in the last 3 years. In all, GSL has built and renovated 112 toilets in various schools. Moving forward, we look to provide our continued support to the state government through our CSR initiative so that more and more population of the state of Goa stand benefited. We look forward to participating with the government in areas of women empowerment, environment and water conservation initiatives. It is this support and cooperation of the state government and the community which makes our CSR project truly effective. I thank the government authorities for providing wholehearted support and guidance to this initiative. We have no doubt that GSL effort for the state of Goa under our CSR initiative will go from strength to strength. Thank you. Shano Varna. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank GSL for their kind generosity in strengthening the Goa Police, especially the Coastal Police, by delivering the 2 ATVs under the Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative, which will be flagged off shortly by the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. Thank you, sir. I now request our chief guest for today's function, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, to say a few words.
Aja Goa Shipyard Limited, Ajani under the CSR fund, handing over of the all-terrain vehicles to our police. ह्या सोहळ्याक व्यासपीठाचेर आसात आमचे डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलीस प्रणब नंदा, GSLचे CMD BB Nagpal, Mapsa MLA Joshua D'Souza, other dignitaries in the audience. Goa Shipyard Limited हांव गेली कितलीशींच वर्सां पळयता की they are helping for the genuine project. Just ताच्या CMDन सांगले त्या प्रमाणे for last 1.5 year तांच्यांनी help केल्ले project especially directly for the government in the health services and in education sector, which is really appreciable. And especially thanks for the Goa Shipyard Limited from the government of Goa for these 2 vehicles also. हाचो उपयोग बिचार वेगवेगळ्या कशा पद्धतीन जातलो, म्हणजे स्पेशली फॉर द कोस्टल सिक्युरिटी आसाच. देर इज ऑलवेज थ्रेट फॉर द कोस्टल सिक्युरिटी, म्हणजे आफ्टर द मुंबई अटॅक वी आर ऑलवेज अलर्ट फॉर द कोस्टल सिक्युरिटी. आणि पुराय कोस्टल सिक्युरिटी फोर्स दे आर डुईंग व्हेरी गुड जॉब आनी ताका लागूनच म्हाका दिसता आज पर्यंत गोंयांत अशा पद्दतीची केन्नाच आमी म्हणटले की केन्ना डॅरिंग करूंक ना आनी हाज्याय फुडें डॅरिंग करचें ना बिकॉज वी हॅव द गूड सेक्युरिटी फोर्स. ताका लागूनच आमी सेफ आसा सेक्युअर्ड आसा हें म्हणपाक काय हरकत ना. Our police not only in the coastal but rest all also they are doing very good job, very good their duties. आणि बरेचशे फावटी म्हणजे नूड पार्टीचेर उलयता आसतना बऱ्याच जाणांनी जायत्यो गजाली उलयल्यो. एखाद्यान एखादी एडवर्टायजमेंट घातली आणि एडवर्टायजमेंट घालप म्हणजे असे जे कोण लोक आसात ताका आमच्या ऑलरेडी पुलिसांनी धरूनय हाडलो. आय एम कॉंग्रेच्युलेटिंग देम. तांच्यांनी जी टीम ज्यांच्यांनी काम केलें ताका स्पेशली धरून हाडपाचें ताचें अभिनंदन करता. तुमी मुद्दामून पळयात की रेट जो आसा म्हणजे क्रायम रेट आसतलो किंवा ताका परत धरून हाडपाचो रेट जो आसा हो पुलिसाचो कितलोसोच मोठ्या प्रमाणात वाडलेलो आसा. आनी हे केन्ना पॉसिबल आसा गोंयची जनता जेन्ना ताका सपोर्ट करतली तांचें अभिनंदन करतली तेन्नाच तांचो मोरल जो आसा हो खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात मोरल वाडटलो. वायस वर्सा खंय तरी एखादो कोण तरी पोस्टर घालता त्या पोस्टराचेर सगळे उलोवंक लागता म्हणजे मिडिया पासून ते कोणूय उलयता सुरू करतात आनी मिडिया सगळ्यांच्यो बातम्यो छापता. पण हे सगळे छापता आसतना एक गजाल लक्षात घेवपाक जाय आमी आमच्या स्टेटीचीच बदनामी करता. ही गजाल आमी लक्षात घेवप अत्यंत गरजेचें. थोडोसो वेळ दियात, थोडीशी कळ सुचपाची गरज आसा. म्हाका दिसता विदीन 10 days, लेस दॅन 10 days, 7 days, 7 दिसां भितर आमी ताका धरून हाडलो. पण त्या 7 दिसां मदीं म्हणजे तुम्ही गोंयच्या बद्दल जिकी जिकी जोडी म्हणजे राजकारणी आसतले काही जाण ज्यांच्यांनी उलोवन सुरू केले गोंय हे अशी स्टेट, गोंय हे प्रमोट करता, गोंय ते प्रमोट करता. सरकार कांयच प्रमोट करिना. सरकार बरें टुरिजम प्रमोट करता. आमी म्हणटा की सन, सँड अँड सी द इंटरलँड टुरिजम एडवेंचर टुरिजम स्पेशली वी गॉट्स द अवॉर्ड फॉर द हांव कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता आमच्या टुरिजम मिनिस्टर अँड टुरिजम चेअरमॅन. एडवेंचर टुरिजम आमी इंटरलँड टुरिजम, मेडिकल टुरिजम हे सगळे प्रमोट करता. आमकां कसलेच वायट पद्दतीचे टुरिजम म्हणजे जाका म्हणटा म्हाका म्हणपाकूय वायट दिसता तें हांव म्हणना, तोंडानूय विचार करिना, ते करपाची गरज ना. बट रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन आनी पॉलिटिशियन्स हांच्यांनी गोंयच्या बद्दल उलयता आसतना म्हाका दिसता रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीन उलोवप हें अत्यंत गरजेचें आसा. कारण वी आर फॉर द स्टेट. एनी हांव म्हाका ताजेर चड उलोवपाचें ना. बट आमी आतां विचार आसा आयच्यान KCIC म्हणजे कर्नाटक कंपनी अँड इंडियन लिमिटेड कितें तरी नांव आसा ते नवीन कंपनीन बीच क्लिनिंग हो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आयच्यान सुरू केलो. हाज्या फुडें कंटिन्युअसली आमचे सगळे कोस्टल बेल्टचे बीचीस जे आसा हे क्लीन आनी नीट उरतले. जर घडये तुमकांय खंयचो बीच क्लीन आनी नीट ना यू कॅन अप्रोच टू आवर टुरिजम कॉर्पोरेशन. यू कॅन डायरेक्टली तांच्यांनी आपली फॅसिलिटीजूय तेजेर अवेलेबल केल्या. It is our responsibility, not only the government responsibility, the responsibility of the every citizen of the Goa. गोंय नितळ दवरप ही आमची सगळ्यांची जबाबदारी आसा. त्या खातीर बीच कितले बरे आसतले त्याच पद्दतीन आमचे टुरिजम जे आसा हे मोठ्या प्रमाणात येवपाक लागतले. त्या खातीर आमी सगळ्यांनी आमचे पुराय गोंय नितळ दवरपा खातीर आनी विशेश करून बीचीस नितळ दवरपा खातीर मदत करप ही अत्यंत गरजेची आसा. आमचे दृश्टी जी लायफ सेविंग म्हणून बिचाचेर काम करता तांच्यांनी रिकॉर्ड सांगलो की रिकॉर्ड जर पळयत त्यांचो कितल्या जाणांचे लायफ वाचयले हे जर पळयत दे आर डुईंग व्हेरी गुड. हांवें जॉयंटली म्हणजे डीजीन मेन्शनय केलें वी कॅन यूज दीस व्हेकल एज अ टेम्पररी एम्ब्युलन्स फ्रॉम द बीचीस टू द रोड. बरेचशे फावटी म्हणजे हितूर भायर काडलो वता बट तेन्नाच ताचो जीव वता म्हणटा आमी. हो कित्याक बिकॉज ऑफ द म्हणजे ताजी emergency within that short span of time he reached to the hospital. but ते जायना म्हणजे एक्झॅक्टली ट्रॅकिया चॉकअप जाता आनी थंयसरूच तेजी डेथ जाता. विदीन दॅट शॉर्ट स्पॅन ऑफ टायम तो जर खंयच्या हॉस्पिटलांत पावूंक शकलो आसत जाल्यार तो जगपाक शकतलो. म्हाका दिसता दीस व्हीकल वील ऑल्सो हेल्प देम टू कॅरी द ड्रावनींग केस फ्रॉम द बीच टू द रोड किंवा एम्ब्युलन्स पर्यंत व्हरपाक. कारण एम्ब्युलन्स बिचाचेर चलूंक शकना. ताजी मदत जी आसा ही डेफिनेटली दोनूय म्हणजे फॉर द सेक्युरिटी पर्पज आनी फॉर द ड्रावनींग केस पर्पज ह्या दोनूय गजाली खातीर आमकां ताजी मदत जातली. इन फ्युचर फॉर द कोस्टल सेक्युरिटी आसत किंवा कोस्टल म्हणजे बीच सेफ्टी आसत हाज्या खातीर जायत्यो गजाली गोंय सरकाराक करपाच्यो आसा. आमी त्या दृश्टीन जे पावलां उचलीत आसा आमी म्हणजे टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंट आनी इवन दो द पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट इज वर्किंग ऑन दॅट. म्हाका दिसता तांच्यो गाडयो येवंक ना अजून. ह्या दिसांनी तांच्यो व्हेहिकल 60 कितल्यो तरी व्हेहिकल पुलिशेक मेळपाच्यो ते ह्या दिसांनी घेवपाचे आसा. तांकां जाय त्यो म्हणजे सेक्युरिटीच्या दृश्टीन आमी गोंयांत खंयसरूच कॉम्प्रमायज करिना. वॉट एवर द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द सेम वी आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू हेल्प देम इन फ्युचर. म्हणजे गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड सारकिले प्रायवेट PSUs तांकां मदत करता. खूब बरें दिसता. अजुनूय बी दोज आर द प्रायवेट सेक्टर्स दे नीड टू हेल्प CSRच्या माध्यमांतल्यान म्हणजे स्पेशली फॉर द पुलीस आसतले किंवा हेल्थ सेक्टर आसतले किंवा एड्युकेशन सेक्टर आसतले ह्या जायत्या लोकांनी मदत करप स्टेटीक अत्यंत गरजेचें आसा. जाल्यार आमी इनोवेटीव चेंजीस जे हाडपाक जाय ते हाडपाक शकतले आनी डेफिनेटली इन फ्युचर आमी सेफ्टी आनी सेक्युरिटी हाजेर प्रायम फोकस दवरतले. हांव इतकेंच सांगता. फाल्यां 2 ऑक्टोबर वयता आसतना म्हणजे फाल्यांच्यान आमी ठरयलां की रियूज सिंगल यूज प्लास्टीक ही फाल्यांच्यान आमी बॅन करतले. आज खूब बरें दिसलें की तांच्यांनी आयच्यान सुरू केला. प्लास्टीकची बॉटल टेबलाचेर दिसना आनी ती गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंटांतल्यान पयलींच्यान सुरू जावची मागीर लोक फॉलो करपाक लागतले. त्या खातीर आमी जर सुरू केलें जाल्यार डेफिनेटली खूब बरें जातलें. म्हणजे अर्दे अदीक प्लास्टीक जें आसा पळय न्हू हें आमी बंद करपाक शकतले. आमच्या हातान आसा तें करुया. महात्मा गांधीच्या 150व्या जयंतीच्या निमित्तान ह्या बऱ्या कामाक गोंयांनी सुरवात जातली. माननीय पंतप्रधानान ऑलरेडी सगळ्या देशांतल्या सगळ्या लोकांक उलो मारल्या स्वच्छता ही सेवा म्हणजे गांधीजींचो मंत्र हो सगळ्या पर्यंत पावप आनी ही संकल्प यात्रा ही फाल्यांच्यान गांधी 150व्या गांधीजीच्या जयंतीच्या निमित्तान संकल्प सेवा ही संकल्प यात्रेंतल्यान सुरू जावची आनी सगळे गोंयकार तितून सहभागी जावचे. एके तुमच्या लागीं मागता आनी म्हाजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you, sir. Goa being a tourist destination and a large number of tourists visit Goa, the responsibility of maintaining peace and security is looked after by Goa Police. And with this thought in mind, Goa Police has taken a huge leap in strengthening the security of the state. I now request the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, to flag off the all-terrain vehicles provided by the GSL under the Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative.
हांव चलयना पूण हेल्मेट घालूं ना. फाल्यां तेच चर्चा
रोडार ना ती.
रोडार चलता
सर एक मातशें तुमची सिंगल एक
बस बरो तूं तिजेर बस.
सर मातशें तुमी येता सर सायडीक राव. हय सर एकूच पयली फोटो घेता मागीर घेता मातशी फाटी रे सावळी येता पळय सावळी येता पळय